This 2023 Prime Time LaCrosse 3375 FE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Prime Time is 38 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a DUSK interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, CO detector, oven, auxiliary battery, external shower, microwave, spare tire kit, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Prime Time LaCrosse 3375 FE is 8,752 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.